2004 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, cruise control, compass, passenger airbag, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks, daytime running lights, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.